Salute to 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Jamaica worst gamer, best blogger, best reviews. Salute, hey, pre the views, pre the comment. It's all about world of manners, world of respect. Yeah.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're here with Rastan, Itamystry, and ScreechyDan. So that's Rastan featuring Itamystry and ScreechyDan with a track called Dark. So Rastan reached out to me the other day and do the right, and we're now here reacting to one of their songs. Alright, so we're here. Let's jump in it and hear what the G them say. Big up yourself, Rastan, big up yourself, Itamystry, and ScreechyDan, big up yourself also. Let's jump in the one and do it. Oh, before we do it, let's do this. Yo. Sorry to interrupt your video, guys. Sorry to interrupt your video. But this one is very important. Please do remember, sir, we are still in November. Even though my birthday gone, we're still in November, and I'm running the promotional deal to get your songs on the platform, whether music video or audio, to get it on the platform. Link me up on DM, on Instagram. Instagram is right over my head, Jamaica_worst_gamer. Link me up for your prices, and we can talk business only if you're serious. Alright? Let's get back to the video. Now we done that, let's go.
Rastan.
ScreechyDan.
Yeah.
Rastan Records. So this is a Rastan Records on production. Alright.
Step up and set this your history. Them so dark, the youth are no art.
See it, yeah.
Straight off the bat, I can search for that one here go. That one here, I go burn a piece of fire and try to make the youth them wise up and see sense. Me like that.
Them so dark, the youth are no art.
See it, yeah.
Them dark, pitch dark, pitch dark. Them a youth and a joke, they laugh. Them dark, pitch dark.
Them dark, pitch dark. Them a youth and a joke or laugh. Ever so often, it's become the norm now where my man say, oh, I'm here, I'm dark. Fully darkness, rare. More want to see the light. Me no worry about dark thing. No, no darkness around here. Light. Yes. So the G them tell us them youth nowadays, them dark. The generation are dark. You might use it as just a slang, but it's not just a slang, is it? Not just a slang. Cause it's a dark world we living in, right?
Them a youth and a joke, they laugh. Them dark, pitch dark.
So the chorus look like over part that. Rastan sing first? Is it Rastan singing first, right?
Dark, pitch dark. Push your gate and now wear mask. Them dark.
Push your gate and now wear mask. Them found in the brawling, miggly. Come with you up. Jesus, darkness.
Shit. Too wicked and cross. Hey, them a killer cereal. Yeah. Them a bust the blue steel. When you hear tires spill and the people a squeal.
Man, I'm a killer cereal. Where they are Jamaica right now? Or even anywhere in the world, if the youngest youth say to you, say, yo, hey boy, I want you, me we kill you now. Don't take it for granted, yo. Don't take it for granted, cause them youth ya really out here I do things, bro. So when you hear a little juvie say, hey boy, I want you, me go down and come kill you now, I want you. Take it serious.
The people a squeal, win, draw, lose. A badness, them choose a big gun, them use like AK and who's blow your fuse.
Win, draw, or lose, it no matter what. Them know the outcome, you know. Prison are 6'6". Them know the outcome, but them not care. Win, draw, or lose, them youth are no business. They're no business, dog.
When you hear tires spill and the people a squeal, win, draw, or lose. A badness, them choose a big gun, them use like AK and who's blow your fuse. Extortion, pay your dues, or you end up on the news. Them now.
Extortion, pay your dues, or you end up on the news. So the boss I tell us, say, yo, them youth, yeah, them will use the AK or the Uzi and blow your fuse. You see me? Yeah, dog. Yo. No joke.
Watch the face, no. Them now, I them face left body without face, them so damn bare face it.
Man, I'm a left body without fear. The man them sing about things where we see a go on the news day in, day out, bro. And it become the norms of Jamaica now. It become the norms.
No, them now. I them face left body without face, them so damn bare face it. Evil them embrace it and them now replace it.
Evil them embrace it. That man tell you say, oh, I'm to your Wobe man. All of my dog them a Wobe man. Ray blah blah them youth here publicly I promote witchcraft, bro. No joke.
Face it. Evil them embrace it and them now replace it. Them in it for win it, heat them not grin it. Sin every minute, one finger them spin it.
Them in it to win it, but them hardly a win because either them friend a kill them, police a kill them. Them are dead out. Our enemy a kill them. Them are dead out. Them are dead out.
In it for win it, heat them not grin it. Sin every minute, one finger them spin it. Badness time, them a run the place warm. When the machine turn on, can't keep calm. Big guns drawn, no life gone. You see it? Them not clear on which part them appear like witchcraft. No, you.
Them not care which part you're there. I could have even at the church. Them appear like witchcraft. Them not care which part. Them appear like witchcraft. Them disappear. Boop, coming in. Out of nowhere, a man a get a gunshot, bro.
No life gone. You see it? Them not clear on which part them appear like witchcraft. No use pitchfork left the place pitch. Dark.
I use pitchfork left the place pitch. Dark.
Them ya youths not laugh. With them big guns are braff. Every day them a look for your life to lock off. Them dark, pitch dark.
And you know what worse? Not for them killers that we are kill people, dog. Them a kill a lot of innocent people where they involved in them fuckery. If them would kill them enemies and them a kill off each other, yes, we could understand that. Even though it ranks same way, we could accept it more. But when them a kill off the innocent youth, them and the woman and the picking them and them thing, the dog, and innocent man, we got them job and them thing, that joke thing.
It's not laugh. With them big guns are braff. Every day them a look for your life to lock off. Them dark, pitch dark, pitch dark. Them a youth and a joke, they laugh. Them dark, pitch dark, pitch dark. Push your gate and now we're mass and dark. Shit. Too wicked and cross. Crime scene, tape off, no care where them walk. Anywhere them go, them leave a blood bag.
Crime scene, tape off. No care where them walk, anywhere them go, them leave a bloodbath. Facts. Anywhere them go. Cause watch it now. Take for example, I'm on a hot up, say East Kingston then. I'm on a hot up East Kingston. Get hot up to East Kingston, him go to boom and gone all a Mobile. Hot up. Any which part him there Mobile. Boom. Clarendon. Hot up. And them CM youth here go people place and I fuck up the place, you know, bro. You see me? And them CM youth here, dog.
Crime scene, tape off, no care where them walk. Anywhere them go, them leave a blood bath. The whole community vice back slack off. Cause them we mark for death if them talk.
The whole community vice box lock off because them remark for that if them talk. Yes, that's one. Second reason is none of them uphold with the fuckery because it not happen to them. But as soon as police come dash down under the so-called gunman, now you see them start Black Road and go with a bag of fuckery. Yeah? If police forward down, they now and start lock up someone and see them start video and protest and rare. But when the bad man them are coming in with them bloody clothes and them see when I wash out them clothes for them. You see me? So them a benefit from the fuckery. Them a benefit.
The whole community vice back slack off. Cause them we mark for death if them talk. Them say evil the thing they. I cut off people let down fling with. I where the place gone so. People may ask so no. I where the youth them a pray. When them a kill old people and baby, insanity. See,
crazy.
The place a face a death penalty. Go easy me G. The youth.
So it show you always so. Okay, ScreechyDan up at top. It's a mystery and Rastan Elder.
Them born to be free, still you cut them destiny. I compete to see who make the most dopey. What a thing me live to see. I want to them dark.
Them dark for real, man. Big up Rastan. Big up It's a Mystery and big up ScreechyDan. Positive track. The youth them dark. Like we need the youth them for wise up and see stop kill off each other, bro. Like life nice, you know, bro. Life nice, you know. You see me? And you know if you travel if you know say life nice, bro. You can stay right at Jamaica and know say life nice. But I don't know value on the life, bro. You're not too dark, bro. You're not too dark. Dark has become the norm now in Jamaica. we look at island we love so much. We don't want to see so much fuckery go on, bro. If a man step on your shoes, you don't have to beat him up or you don't have to kill him. And I say, hey, Dada, a man I say sorry, just know say you are sorry, you see me? A vanity, bro. A vanity. You know, if you go on so dark and I take a life. Or if you can't catch Kwaku, you catch him shot. Big fuckery that, brother. Big fuckery that, you see me? And the crime I got always spin over because if you hurt my family, me want to hurt back your family, you want to hurt back my family, and then innocent people get jogging, you see me? So big up the hell of them we are show about them positive vibration here, and I make the youth them know say, yo, it's not all about that, bro. We can live. We can live. You know? Use them too dark, man, and we as the onlookers are embrace the darkness. We don't like it. We don't like it. We don't like it. Anyway, this is how I'm gonna leave that one still. If you enjoyed that one, leave a like on the video, subscribe around there if you're new, and I will may I go drop the channel link in the description. So go over there, go tell Rastan say I'm sending you over there, you know? Big up on yourself, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Salute to 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Jamaica worst gamer, best blogger, best reviews. Salute, hey, pre the views, pre the comment. It's all about world of manners, world of respect. Yeah.